You have to invest in yourself and believe in yourself if you're planning on achieving the goals that you want to achieve. You have to invest in yourself, believe in yourself, and invest in yourself. And that is currently what I am doing. Greetings, gentle folks. Yes. Alright, welcome to my home office studio. This is my home office studio. And when you have a dream, you have to work on your dream. So this is where I make content, YouTube content. This is where I do voice rehearsal. This is where I do studio work. This is Third Age Evolution. So the room was a little echoey. So it's just a small room. So why I'm doing this video today? Plan is to finish adding these acoustic foams on my wall. So if you can look at the wall, you can see that it is partially done. And most persons don't normally do the entire wall, but I am doing the entire wall because it is a small room and it is echoey. So in order to kill the echo, I have to put the foams on the wall. So I don't think it is echoey right now, but so if you can look, if you can see the foams that I'm using, the color is green. So the plan is to have acoustic foams that kills the sound but also act as a green screen, so I can do anything I want to do from most angles inside this room and change the background if I so desire. So they act as a green screen for me, as well as insulation material. So what I'm going to be doing right now is so I have these boxes right here, and what is in these boxes are the remainder of my acoustic foam. So that's 5 box of 12 each. So if my math is correct, I think that will be 60. So I am going to complete the remainder of the roof. As you can see, the room is also green. I'm going to complete the remainder of the roof, and I'm going to complete the remainder of the walls. So let me get to work. That's my foam spray that I'm going to be using, and these are my acoustic foams. I'm going to pull them out now. Alright, so I'm going to pull them out now so you can see. Don't you dare fall. That's it. Alright, so that's my acoustic foams. Use your pot on Amazon. So I'm going to make this room completely covered in foams. Right, so time to get to work. Okay, so that's most of the room now completed. It's most of the room now completed. It's looking beautiful. So the roof. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.